and I loved. Ooh, मेरे mic का मुंह गिर गया. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm back with another Savannah haul. I have this huge box sitting on my lap right now, and I'm going to show all the things that I got. Of course, this is going to be a try-on haul as usual. And before we get started with this video, I just wanted to let you know my discount code which you can use while shopping at Savannah. You can get up to 25% off if you use my code. And I have one more exciting news to share with you guys. So Savannah is going to be having regular weekend sales. So the timing for the weekend sale is going to be from Saturday 10 a.m. to Monday 10 a.m. So do make the best use of these sales, and of course you can use my discount code to save even more money. Every 24 hours the collection will be refreshed, and you can also get flat 50% off during these weekend sales. So please keep an eye on these sales, and whenever you see any of your favorite items on sale, do try them out because I cannot recommend Savannah enough. Savannah and Urbanic are two of my favorite shopping destinations. Most of my clothes are from these websites. Whenever you guys ask me where's this dress from, where's this top from, most of the things are from either Savannah or Urbanic. Savannah is my new love. They have so many creative and trendy pieces, and because of them I get to experiment with my styles. Otherwise I would not have. So I'll just stop blabbering now and let's get started with the video. The first dress that I got is this sheer fishtail dress which I'm wearing right now because this is my most favorite dress from this haul. This is off-white in color. It has a nude cloth underneath, and on top of that you have a beautiful mesh white material, and it has spaghetti straps, it has a chain behind, it has a bow to tie, and everything about this dress is so beautiful. It makes you look so elegant. It's a long dress, and niche se you have a fishtail pattern going on. The price of this dress is 2290. I know it's a bit expensive, but this is worth it. The quality speaks for itself. This dress actually is perfect for pre-wedding photo shoots. That's what I thought of, or engagement photo shoots. So recently I saw Chrissy Chella's engagement pictures. If you don't know Chrissy Chella, she's a fitness influencer and I admire her so much. She recently wore a similar dress for her engagement shoot. It had a similar white mesh detailing, and underneath it was nude color. The pattern was different. Hers was a long sleeve dress and it was shorter, but the design and the material I found are exactly the same. And when I saw those pictures, I just fell in love. First of all, she looks so beautiful, and I instantly fell in love with the dress too. And मेरे mind में बैठ गया, whenever I see this dress I'm gonna buy it. So when I was browsing through Savannah, I found this dress and I was like, I have to get this. So, and I'm really happy with that decision. The next dress that I got is this yellow tube dress. It has a very cute bow attached. This dress looked really cute on the model, and even when I wore it I got very cute vibes from this dress. Kind of reminds me of Minnie Mouse for some reason, I don't know, but I love the color of this. Is slightly lemon yellow, and I love how yellow looks on my skin tone. So color tone, I had absolutely no issues. It was a 10 on 10 for me. But even the pattern of this dress looks very cute. One thing to keep in mind is that the dress is very short, but the shortness kind of makes this dress even cuter. And one more thing, the bow is not perfect as shown in the picture. I don't know, it just keeps falling like this for me. It doesn't really stay. For the videos I had made it stay somehow, but I don't know, maybe I'm using it wrong, but it's just, it keeps falling off. It doesn't look perfect. So maybe if you iron it, it might stay. But that's what I wanted to point out. The price of this dress is 1690. I got a lot of comments saying I should mention the prices in the video. So from now on, I'll be mentioning the prices during the video itself. Of course, you can click on the link. That's what I thought. Most people would click on the link to see the price, but I understand where you're coming from. And also the sizes for all the clothes are in the size S. I also mentioned the size details in the description box. So please do check it out in case I don't specifically mention it. You can get this dress or any dress for even cheaper if you use my discount code. So yes, I'm gonna remind you again and again to use the discount code. It's not an affiliate discount code, it's just the code they gave me to share with you guys. The next is again a dress. It's a very pretty sheer black dress. It's A-line in shape. The sleeves are completely mesh, and even the dress has mesh detailing all over, and it has this, cup thing going on to give you a nice shape. My favorite things about this dress is that first of all, it's black, and I love black dresses. Second thing is the sleeves make this dress even more incredible. I really love the neck of this. It's a little bit deep, but I don't know what this is called. ये square neckline है शायद, but I don't know what this kind of neck is called. Sweetheart neck, I'm not sure. The most interesting part about it is that these lines over here. So these lines give you the illusion that the waist is really tiny. So even if you see my videos, my waist is not this tiny, okay? But the dress was making my waist एकदम से ऐसे छोटा. One more thing to keep in mind is that this dress is short. A big thumbs up from my side for this. The price of this dress is 2290. The next dress is a slit bodycon dress. This is a long dress and it has a huge slit on the thigh. That's the reason I got this dress actually, and I love bodycon dresses. I love how they fit me, how they hug me. It doesn't have any chain. You can just wear it directly as it is because this is quite stretchable. It fits me perfectly. Again, size is small. The price is 990 rupees. I found it quite affordable compared to the other dresses that I got, and it has a turtleneck. This is perfect for evening parties or dinner parties. I have got many black dresses in this haul because earlier I used to avoid buying black dresses because I thought I have too many, but when I actually went to check my collection, I just hardly had 1 or 2 black dresses and they were really very old, so I just wanted more black dress options. So the next dress is also black, and again it has this mesh detailing all over. I had a very similar top in college and I loved that top. I wore it all the time. I wanted something like that again. This kind of dress was trending when I was in college actually, and for some reason it just went out of trend. I mean, no one was really wearing it. I don't think this kind of dress should go out of trend, and even if it does, who cares, you know? Wear what you like. That's what I do. This is again a bodycon dress, very stretchable. It doesn't have any chain as such. You can directly wear it. It has this elastic thing on the side which gives a very nice fitting and gives a hugging illusion. The price of this dress is 1490. The last dress from this haul is again a bodycon dress. This is beige in color. I love beige clothes. For most of the brand collaborations I do, they always want you to wear white or beige. I end up wearing the same thing in all the videos, so I make it a point to invest in more beige and white pieces so that, you know, I can look different in different videos. I think I've mentioned this point before, but yeah, I just saw this beige dress. It looked very cute to me. One thing which I didn't really want but I got is the backless part of it. So since this dress is backless, you either have to wear those silicone stick-ons, or you can wear nipple stickers, or you can wear a boob tape, or if you're not comfortable with the backless thing, you can also wear a jacket or a shirt or to style it up. I think I'm gonna wear it like that. The material is really nice for this. I don't know how to describe this, but this is perfect for rainy season actually. This will dry really fast. Cost of this dress is 1090 rupees. I've got a lot of cami tops in this haul because I'll be traveling next week. By the time you're watching this video, I might be already traveling. I love wearing camisole tops or spaghetti tops, tank tops. I love them. The color is super cute. It gives me birthday vibes. Every time I see pink clothes, it just screams birthday to me. You can also wear it on someone else's birthday, and I love this thing about it. You can adjust it however you want. It has a little bit of deep neck, but the shape of the neck line I really like. Piche se it looks like a regular tank top. The color and, you know, this thing is the only reason I got this top, and it costs 690 rupees. You can style it on regular denim, skirt, any white color bottoms or any denim colored bottoms would look perfect on this top. Next top is again a cami top, and this is sheer, okay? Only the cups are not sheer, but the rest of the top is a bit sheer, but it looks really cute in my opinion. If you're comfortable with it, if you love such necklines, if you love this kind of corset-y tops, then you're gonna love this. The color also really complements Indian skin tone. It's not really a corset, but the design of it is made in such a way that it looks like a corset top. The way the lines are falling down, it makes your waist also look really small. It's very delicate, very lightweight actually. It will dry really fast. You can wear it during rainy season. It costs 990 rupees. I am going to wear it for my upcoming trip for sure. You can wear it on regular denims. This would look perfect on denim shorts also. The next camisole is again similar. This has mesh thing all over. This is a bit short and very deep neck, so keep that in mind. But if you want to adjust it, it has adjustable straps, so you can adjust however deep you want your neck to be. Love the print on this top, gives me very boho vibes, perfect for beach vacations. And दूर से it looks even prettier. पास से the design is okay. I mean, it looks pretty, but I feel in photos and दूर से देखा तो it looks very pretty. It also has this really beautiful lace detailing given on the neckline, and this top made me look so slim. I mean, you can see that. I mean, I'm obviously sucking in my stomach, but for some reason it just made my stomach look really tiny. In other clothes my stomach did not look as tiny, but this top somehow made me look slim. I have no idea what is that magic. The denims I'm wearing with these tank tops is from Urbanic. I had shown it in one of my hauls. This cost ₹690. The next top is this ruffle cami top. It had two colors, by the way. I picked this beige one. It also had orange color in this, and I love the sleeves of this, ruffle type sleeves. Very interesting design. पीछे से it has this lace corset thingy. It might be a little bit difficult to wear on your own. You can easily tighten it up, but to make it loose, you have to make it loose one lace at a time. So that was a bit annoying, but you can definitely take help of someone while wearing this. And it was difficult for me to wear, so I have just left the lace as it is. One more nice thing about this top is that it has padding and it has underwire too, so you don't have to wear a bra, you can skip bra. But it is a bit deep neck, okay? Especially if your cup size is big, then it's gonna be all boobage. It looks cute regardless. Perfect for tropical beach vacations again. I think I should pack it for my trip. Let's see. I have too many options right now. Savannah has spoiled me for real. This cost ₹1290. Next thing I got is a bodysuit, again beige in color. For the same reason I mentioned earlier, I need more beige options. And I love the crisscross. My hair is all over. And I love the crisscross detailing the neck has. Both the behind and the front neck thing looks the same, and it's a bodysuit, so will look perfect if you like to tuck in your clothes. Earlier I used to think bodysuits are not really required. If I want to tuck in something, I can just tuck in any regular top. I don't need to get a separate bodysuit, but actually it makes a difference. If you just tuck in regular normal tops, especially if the top is long, then it doesn't really give a very seamless finish. It just creates a lot of folds and it just creates unnecessary extra cloth layer. But if you like a seamless tucking in ka finish, then you should definitely get a bodysuit like this, because नीचे से hook लगता है ना, it can just pull it and give a better finish. Price of this top is ₹790. It's a very basic top, but I love it. The quality is also really nice. Next is again a very basic tank top, which is beige in color. I cannot have enough basic tank tops. They are very handy for me, especially when I'm filming videos, and most brands want your tops to be neutral and just basic like this, as I just mentioned. They don't want this complicated design and colorful designs, so I always make sure to invest in basic neutral pieces. Quality is really good. Very basic again. You can style it however you want. You can wear it on jeans, you can wear it on skirt, and the best part about these basic neutral colors is that even if you wear it multiple times, it still won't make you feel that you're repeating the outfit. Sometimes you can wear a shirt on top of it, sometimes you can wear a nice jewelry, but if you wear a really unique design ka top or very colorful clothes, then those are little bit difficult to repeat, because your mind thinks you already worn it too many times, and it's very eye-catching. You automatically can make out that this is a repeated outfit, but it's not the case with these basic tops. So I would always recommend, even if you're on a budget, just invest in basic 2-3 neutral color tops and you should be done. You can create so many looks with that. This cost ₹590, by the way. I had worn these skirts with that top, so it looks like a skirt from front, but it's actually a short from inside. And I love this white thing it has, and it has a nada also. If you tie this nada na, it looks very girly, very cute, and you can wear it with basic tops again. It will look really good on plain white tops. It has this pleats giving me Korean schoolgirl vibes. This costs ₹1690. Next is this ribbed top. It has buttons. You can remove these buttons. The buttons look very cute according to me, and just keep in mind that these gaps can be seen, okay? So you can definitely wear some kind of camisole underneath, and I love the fitting of this. This is very comfy. It's not too tight for me. Perfect for college, perfect for any basic outing whenever you want to feel comfortable, because the material is also very comfy, and this is very lightweight also. And black is one of my favorite colors when it comes to clothes. So yes, I would definitely recommend this. This cost rupees 890. Last but not the least, I got gym leggings. I'm a gym girl, you guys, so I of course need gym clothes. They are the only clothes which I wear every single day till they literally start looking extremely old. Piche se it has this butt stitch. I love the waist of this. Is very elasticy. It's very thick also, so it will snatch your waist really nicely. It looks a bit skin like, you know, in certain lightings it looks like you're not wearing anything. And I got this in the size S, but it was very tight for me. So if you want a more comfortable fit, and if you're my size, then go for size M. It will get a little loose with time, but I just wanted to mention that. This cost rupees 690. So that was it for this Savannah haul. Thank you so much for watching. If you're planning to shop anything from Savannah, don't forget to use my discount code to save some money. And if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.